Hi everyone, I have Miss Nancy over here. She's going to be telling her story on how she's doing as far as her knees on her knee program. So Miss Nancy, I'll let you go ahead.
I came in to see Dr. Tony in regards to my knees. I had taken a fall several months ago and lots of swelling, lots of crackling and such in my knees. And with the program, I am now squatting farther down and I have more mobility in my knees. I don't feel as much fluid and crackling that I did.
So how was this really affecting your life from before though?
I would say that most of it was kind of debilitating. I would go to work as a nurse, 12-hour shifts. The next day, day or two, I was pretty much done. I couldn't move very well afterwards, and now I'm fine the next day as far as getting around.
Yeah. So, and you've been doing the knee program for how long now?
3 to 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks. Great. So, and doing better so far, right?
Absolutely.
Awesome. So we'll check back here in a little while.